Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay and I do lifestyle vlogs. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So guys, it is Tuesday and today I should be getting one of my wisdom teeth removed, so pray for me. I don't know if they're going to remove it because how I had asked the dentist once to look at it and like them say it have a surgical remove, but the dentist I got today is like them not see it yet. So I hope they remove one of them. I don't know, so at least I'm not waste my time go down there. But yeah, I'm going down. I have an appointment at 10 and I'm late because it's like 8:31. I'm gonna leave it and a taxi may take, but oh well, we will get there. Nothing happens before this time. But yeah, so we're ready. Well, almost ready. So leave out. Sweating right now, but yeah. Just wanted to start. I don't know if I'm gonna film nothing else, I'm not sure, but just wanted to start the vlog so in case I film anything else, then you know I'm not have to ramble up, forget intro or anything. So the video would already introed and whatever. So we're going to Linstead to get it done, and let's see how this goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so we have to circle back because the dentist kind of have some car troubles or whatever, so we're going to do some business and come back. So I'm going to run through instead of a bit and then circle back. It's not that I don't want you here, it's something about the way stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I do much. Guys, my chef sister. So we got home. I'm gonna talk soon. Hi guys. So we got home like a long time, and my sister cooked dinner, so me about to devour the dinner. Sorry, pepper. Alright. Teeth? Teeth? Anyways, so yeah, I'm about to eat dinner right now. So yeah. Is editing Shakay here. So I was editing the vlog and then I realized that I did not explain to you guys what had happened. So I was heading to the dentist and then I told you guys that we're going on to the road to like do some other things and then go back to the dentist. I did not get through that day, so that's why you see me in the next clip going back somewhere. I was actually going back to Linstead to actually go back for the appointment because the dentist car had broken down, and then I was like, all right, you know what, let me try the top because they have two different places in Linstead. So I was going to try the top one, and they said I would just have to come in early next morning because they're normally full and they don't do appointments. So I went the other day. Editing Shakay again. so editing Shakay again. So yeah, I explained that we had to come back again the other day, which is the day that you guys just saw. So what had happened, when I went into the dentist, they were saying that it's too deep, so they can't take it out. They referred me to a place there's a place in Kingston or Portmore or Montego Bay. I don't remember the name of the place, but they said I should call them and then I would have to go in because it has to be surgically removed. Apparently they can't do it, so it's still not yet taken out. But yeah, that was what I should have explained to you guys in the vlog, but I did not. So when I edit, I realized I did not, so I'm just explaining right now what had happened. Yeah, and in context for this video, I'm a Jamaican teacher, so I teach, which means right now I'm on summer holidays, but free paper bun up, yeah, so we have to go back to school, we have to go back to work. So right now I'm starting my back to school prep, prepare with me to go back to school and all of that. So it's August 25 and basically schools right now are having like meetings and so on for like to go back. Well, yeah, so schools are having like meetings and so on to go back to work. So my meeting is tomorrow. It's currently 10:29. So I'm gonna look my clothes and then iron them, and that's gonna be the prep for today. I think I don't think I have anything else that I want to do today.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down.
Okay, so this is the update. I paused because I kind of fed up. Alright, so the issue is the fact that we have general election literally next week. So in the week that we have general election, I'm trying to use like brown. So I'm gonna end up probably wearing my new suit. Sorry about this string. My new suit that I didn't really want to wear, but yeah, that's fine. And then the next week I'm gonna wear pink. Now, oh yeah, wait a minute, I'm sweating. So it's a good thing I actually decided to come and actually talk to me, because I wouldn't have realized that this second week that I have here is actually going to be the week after election, so I don't have to worry about the red there. But yeah, I'm gonna move these though. So I'm gonna move the gray that I have there, put the blue and switch it with the red. So yeah, because I want to wear this dress like the Friday before my birthday. So yeah. Hey guys, so I finished looking clothes for the month. Like, this was so hard. I'm so tired. I'm not gonna start ironing them yet. Help! Said help. She said she was coming to keep me company. Look at that.
Yourself in the meantime, never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires, shorty giving that stuff, but she fed up. Yeah, shorty giving that stuff.
Hey guys, it is sister sleep. It is currently 5:35 and I have the last set left. I am so tired. Oh my god, it's what, 5 weeks of clothes? Like, that's a lot. And it's like 6 suits because I put my church clothes as well in it. I'm tired. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna finish the last set, then lie down a bit, rest, because I can't go bed yet, so might as well just rest. Yeah, I'm going to pull up my hair, figure out what I'm gonna do if we got work tomorrow, because I have work tomorrow.
Shawty giving that stuff, shawty giving that stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you've been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. jealous. Shawty giving Esther. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends peer pressure. When it's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you it's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend. But somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like Geppetto. Don't put your faith in no fellow.
Good morning, guys. So I think I started this vlog like probably about for last month. So it's September, I think today is September 6th, and we're continuing this vlog. So today I'm going to get my nails done. As you can see, my hair is already done. I have been doing short form content, and I did the short form for that, so I'll link it below because I never remember to do like any clippets for the big vlog, because I had said I was going to do like a maintenance vlog, but never work out. But anyways, I'm gonna get my nails done right now, and I think mostly I'm going to be doing the short form of it, so I'll also link that below. So yeah, sorry guys, because we're supposed to be there from 8:30, but my sis here, she had to wash her hair because she's going to get her hair done today as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Hey guys, I'm back home. So yeah, I'm back home. So these are the nails. Yeah, I think I'll give you guys a close-up of it like when I was around there and stuff. But yeah, nails are done. So the next thing I have to do is to like shave my eyebrows and then put on the lashes, and I'm done. Yeah, I'm done with the maintenance because I don't plan to do anything else. As I said, I already do my hair, so it's just to shave my eyebrow and to put on the lashes. So yeah, so this is the lash set that I bought. So I don't know what the name is, doesn't come with a name, but yeah, I bought this for like $1,200 Jamaican. So it comes with the, what do you call this, tweezer and little comb. Comes with the bond and seal thing. So it has bond and seal on it. What if you guys are seeing it, bond and seal, and then the different lash lengths and so on. So smallest to the longest down here. I don't think I'm gonna use these because they're like really long and I want it to look kind of natural. So I might stick to hair upwards. I'm not sure yet. Guys, so lashes are done. I don't know if I did them both the same because I forgot to count how much we did put in this before we put it on this. So yeah, alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.